As promised, I told y'all I was going to take y'all and show y'all something else on this trail. So Almost Home did the video of some of her nature. I challenge everybody to show me some of your nature. There's a lot of deer out here sometime. You'll see them. So hopefully we can see a deer. We don't want to see a fox. Some foxes are aggressive, but yeah, there's foxes here. Absolutely, y'all, no hunting. Trail narrows. So let's get into this little journey. Excuse me for the bouncing camera, but I'm walking. This is a nice little trail. Now I would go down here and show y'all this, but I don't want to get bit by nothing at the moment at all. So I'm showing y'all this nice little trail. Very beautiful. Now this leads all the way to the river. If you follow it, it'll take you to the river, and it would only take you about, to walk it, not to sightsee, I mean like to cardio walk it, about 20 minutes walk. Yeah, about 20-minute walk to get to the river. And if you're jogging, maybe less than that. Look at this beauty. I used to love climbing trees when I was a kid. I'm sure we all did. Them was the good old days before electronics. I mean, they had electronics like video games, but people rarely played on Colecos and Ataris. We were outside. It's a trail going off up there. And people have spotted black bears here. You know, they're not that big, but depending on what they're eating, but they have spotted some bears on the trail before. I tell y'all what, this is a nice trail to walk at night. Trust me, it really is a nice trail to walk at night. Nice cool breeze. Look at this. Show y'all a little nice view. Show you all a nice view. Coming up on the Parkway West, Parkway East, whatever direction you're traveling. Nice little bench you can sit on. All right, here we go. See up there in Centralia, Centralia, Pennsylvania, they have a closed down Parkway tunnel that goes under the mountain, and the road is closed off. Maybe one day if they ever close off that Parkway tunnel, you see the sign? Well, going under there is a tunnel, and it goes under probably 7 football fields. 7 football fields long, maybe longer than that. I don't know, I ain't do no measurements, but I go through it sometime. But maybe one day if they ever shut that down and the highway, you could tour it like you can Centralia. Yeah, but that's the highway up there. You can hear the cars. That's the Walnut Towers. And this is a nice little trail. There's a bench. I hate when people do stuff like that. You know, always got to have your graffiti artists. Somebody put Mac Miller forever. Nothing against Mac Miller, but I don't know why they got to do graffiti on the park bench and people want to sit there. Beautiful tall trees. Very peaceful setting if you want to walk this at night. And I'm going to show y'all this cool little wall around here. Might not be cool to y'all, but it's cool to me. And down in this little gully over here to my right, it goes down. And somebody made a new path. What do you know? Probably a bear. I ain't got no bear spray. But I will say, if I seen a bear, I don't care how fast y'all say they is, he ain't catching me. I'm a track star. You better ask somebody. Not only that, look at that. Look what I got on. I got my Adidas runners on. He is not catching me. All down there. All down there is nice. We're gonna go down there one day. We'll go when all the green leaves. That way you can see everything. Look at this wall. You can see the landslide on some of it. I'd hate to have been standing there when that pile fell off that wall, and it falls quick. Look at the curve in that tree up there. Actually, wow, no, it formed a loop. No, it's not a loop, it's just a curve around it. Okay, you see the opening? All right, stay with me. Some more little runoff paths. Let me take a couple still shots. Y'all want to know what they said? You got to get up early in the morning to find me a trail to walk. You got to get up early in the morning to find me a trail to walk. I'm just out getting my cardio in, y'all. Look at that landslide. Look at that landslide. Oh, and a tip for you vloggers out there. Try not to always have the camera on your face. I know you love yourself, but if you exploring something and you want people to see it, then if you're going to show your face, show more of the area like that. Doesn't hurt, y'all. Woo! Love y'all. That would be a cool place to stand on and take a picture. Do y'all really think I want to do that? No. No. No, no, no. All right, now I said I was heading back. I'm not walking. I'm going to jog. And y'all going to have to see what it's like for me to jog. No, I'm not riding a bike. Bikes can't do this. I just jumped even though you didn't see it. love everybody. Stay blessed. Sorry for the blurriness because I was jogging and it's foggy out. Love y'all. I'm stepping out. Yes, I'm stepping out of the workhorse. Nobody does it better than me. The world is a beautiful place. Just want to tell y'all, I love y'all. Let's enjoy. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Always a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I wonder who, whatever. Let's be out of here. Kimmy! Go to work. Go to work. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's always a beautiful day in the neighborhood, people. Yes, it is. Enjoy the day. Gotta go turn these in. Somebody gotta turn them in. A ghost can't.